I was able to increase my impression click-through rate from this to this after I discovered this particular strategy. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you the strategy that you can use to increase your impression click rate from this particular one to this, or even better than this. So make sure you're watching the video all the way from beginning to the end if you want to increase your impression click-through rate. And you know that when you're able to increase your impression click-through rate, then you are also going to increase your views and your watch time and subscribers. So make sure you're watching the video all the way from beginning to the end if you are struggling with this. So I have tested this strategy and it has worked perfectly well for me, and that is why I'm also sharing with you. So make sure you also listen to it, and when you get it there, you can also go and use it on your channel to test it out, because I'm a testimony, because I've tested it out and it has worked for me. So, and I believe that as it has worked for me, it can also work for you as well, and that is why I'm also sharing it here. So if you want to increase your impression click-through rate, I need the best thing that you can do is to study colors. I know many people will say, how am I going to study colors? Don't worry, you don't need to study colors again, because I've already studied colors and I'm here to share with you. Yeah, I'm here to share with you because I've already studied colors and I'm here to share with you. And I didn't actually spend like months to do this. I just spent some few weeks to do this or to learn this, and you're going to actually also spend less than like an hour to also learn this and go and implement it on your channel. So how are you going to study colors? This is what you need to do. Look for the big companies in the world. Look at for the big companies in the world. Example like Google, Facebook, like Instagram, Twitter. So look for these particular big companies. Microsoft, Apple. Look at these particular companies. What colors are they using for their brand? What colors are they using for their brand? Because these particular companies, they are having the finance to actually study colors, and they have studied colors, and they have come out with the best colors that they like, that is appealing to people, or that people find it attractive. So they find that particular colors that people find attractive, and they are using it for their brands. And why wouldn't you also use it? And it's not that you need to combine all the brands. You need to combine all their colors. You don't need to do that. You don't need to do that. So you just need to actually use some small portion of their brand and their brand color, and also use it to also actually introduce it into your own, and you're going to get good results. Let's say Google like this, they are using blue, and if you also check, Facebook is also using blue in their icon. Google is actually using yellow. Microsoft is also using yellow, and Microsoft is also using blue. Google is using blue. So you can see the color relation. Microsoft is using red, Google is using red. I hope you are getting the sense that I'm bringing here. So if you are able to study colors like this, or if you are able to actually use these particular companies or big organizations as inspiration, then the next step is you need to also study thumbnails, because thumbnails are also very good when it comes to you making videos and you want it to stand out. Then you need to actually study thumbnails as well. And if you check, a lot of thumbnails with that are having yellow background, that particular thumbnails do well. Videos that thumbnails that are having yellow background, they do well. And videos that are also having white writing, they also do well. And videos that thumbnails that are also having black writing also do well. So you can actually check it out for yourself and testify, because I've come across a lot of these particular thumbnails, and they are doing massive. And I think if you also use the same technique, it's going to also help you a lot to also get the same results as their own. So no need for you to actually wait number of days before actually figuring this out, because I've actually done all the work, and you just need to go and use it to implement it on your channel, and it's going to actually work for you. So the third thing that you can also do when you want to actually increase your impression click-through rate is use search-based keyword. Like how to type of keyword. Use like how to, and you put the main thing that you want to talk about. How to tie a tie. You can see how to tie a tie. If you start to type on the YouTube page, you see something like how to tie a tie popping on the first page, and that means if you're using something like how to, then you see that your videos are likely to also like get the impression click-through rate that people you want, because as far as people are searching, because when they just search, they know what they are looking for, and when they search and your video is the one that pop within that thing that they were looking for, they are going to click on it, and because of that, it is going to actually increase your impression click-through rate. It is going to actually increase your impression click-through rate. And this thing, I think you don't need any other person to tell you that this particular thing, if I do it this way, it is going to help me than this, because this particular video is actually short, but it contains all the information that you need to actually like improvise or put it on your channel to get the impression click-through rate, to increase your impression click-through rate, and also get more views, subscribers, and watch time. So if this video was helpful and you want to be seeing videos like this, make sure you actually subscribe to the channel. And more to the point, there's actually another tools that can help you to also get like increase your impression click-through rate. I'm going to be putting that particular tools in the video description, and that tools are VIDIQ and TubeBuddy. So their links are going to be put in the video description, which you can just click on it and sign up and start be using the tools. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.